Welcome to the unforgiving wild, where every day is a high-stakes battle for the next generation. These ostrich eggs are among the largest in the world, containing vital nutrients for a growing brood. A hungry predator emerges from the brush, sensing the stationary targets and the potential for a feast.
The snake identifies the nest as an easy target, while the mother is currently nowhere in sight. As the tension rises, please subscribe to our channel to witness more incredible wildlife encounters every day. The predator attempts to find a way to penetrate the thick shell, which is surprisingly very durable.
In the wild, timing is everything, and this intruder is currently operating on very borrowed time today.
Despite its strength, the snake struggles with the sheer weight and size of the massive ostrich egg.
Something is coming, and the vibrations through the ground signal a very large and powerful approaching presence.
Green keeps the predator grounded, as the guardian of the nest makes a very swift return.
The mother ostrich arrives with incredible speed, reaching up to 40 miles per hour to protect brood.
She spots the snake immediately and enters an aggressive defensive posture to signal her absolute dominance. A mother's fury is a formidable force as she prepares to remove the threat from her nest.
The snake tries to defend itself, but the ostrich is far too quick for the venomous strike.
Ostrich kicks are lethal, capable of generating enough force to kill a fully grown African lion.
There is no escape for the egg thief, as the mother maintains a strict and deadly perimeter.
She uses every weapon at her disposal to ensure the predator is driven far away from eggs.
Defeated and injured, the snake retreats, while the mother ostrich remains alert and watching the horizon.
With the threat gone, the mother turns her attention to the safety and the warmth of offspring.
She will remain here for weeks, ensuring that the life inside these eggs is protected from danger. The day ends with a victory for the mother, proving that maternal instinct is the strongest force. Every dawn brings new challenges, but the mother is prepared to face whatever the savannah brings today. Other predators are always watching, waiting for a single moment of weakness from the vigilant mother bird. Her voice is a powerful tool, heard from miles away, signaling that this territory is well guarded.
After 40 days of incubation, and the first signs of life are finally starting to emerge from the shells. She is a gentle giant in this moment, helping her chicks through the most difficult first hours.
Welcome to the world, as a new generation of ostriches begins its journey in the wild savannah.
Protection continues as the chicks are vulnerable to the intense heat and the many local predators nearby.
The chicks must learn to forage quickly, guided by their mother's expert knowledge of the vast landscape.
Threat from the air is constant, forcing the mother to look upward while her chicks are feeding.
She is an impenetrable shield for her young, ready to fight any predator that comes from sky. Her vigilance pays off once again, ensuring that all her chicks remain safe and sound today.
Every meal is a victory in the fight for survival, helping the chicks grow strong very rapidly. Community and survival are linked in the wild, as different species share the few available water sources.
Peace is temporary in the savannah, where the balance between predator and prey is always shifting hourly.
Choosing a safe resting place is vital, as the nocturnal predators begin their hunt in the dark.
In the silence of the night, the mother remains alert to every sound and every movement nearby. Stealth and camouflage are just as important as speed and strength for surviving the African night desert. Every new day is a gift for the ostrich family, a testament to the mother's unwavering care.
In a few months, these chicks will be able to outrun most predators on the vast plains.
The journey is long and difficult, but the mother bird never wavers in her mission to protect. Even in the struggle for survival, there are moments of play and of learning for the young. She is the undisputed queen of the plains, her presence a symbol of strength and of endurance. The savannah is home to a diverse array of life, each with its own strategy for survival. Social bonds are important for ostriches who often live in groups for better protection against any threats.
Together they are strong, a family unit that has already faced the worst the savannah can bring.
Her vision is her greatest tool, allowing her to see danger from miles away in every direction.
The bounty of the land sustains them, providing the energy required for their difficult and daily journey. Another day of survival ends for the ostrich family as the nocturnal world begins to wake up.
They are home safe and sound after another day of challenges in the wild and wonderful.
A mother's love is universal, providing comfort and security in a world that can be very. The mysteries of nature are kept safe in the darkness as the cycle of life continues. She never rests when it comes to the safety of her young. A truly dedicated mother.
Every sunrise is a promise of a new start for those who survived the long night.
They are survivors born from eggs and protected by a hero today in the African wild.
The journey continues as the ostriches face the next chapter of their lives in the wild.
A symbol of new beginnings, and the eggshell remains as a silent witness to the miracle of life.
Water is life, and the ostriches take their fill before the heat of the day returns. Danger comes from all directions, forcing the mother to remain vigilant, even in a place of. Experience is her guide, ensuring that her chicks avoid the many perils of the Savannah River.
Every obstacle is a lesson, helping the chicks build the skills they need for a wild life.
They are explorers in a vast and beautiful world, each step a victory in struggle for. The story of the ostriches is one of courage and of the endurance of the natural world. Growth is rapid as the chicks prepare for the next stage of their life in savannah. Rest is essential for survival, allowing the ostriches to recover from the heat of the African.
The savannah is a place of giants, each with its own role in the complex ecosystem today.
She is a peer in this world, and her strength and her courage recognized by all other animals.
The rhythm of the savannah is a constant cycle of movement and of rest for all.
They are a symbol of hope, a family unit that has survived the most difficult challenges. Every part of her is a tool for survival, refined by millions of years of evolution. The bounty of the land sustains them, providing the energy required for their difficult and daily. Another day of survival ends for the ostrich family as the nocturnal world begins to wake. They are home safe and sound after another day of challenges in the wild and wonderful. Her vigilance is a constant light in the lives of her young and her small family. Peace returns to the plains as the survivors of the day rest in their safe and warm.
The mysteries of nature are kept safe in the darkness as the cycle of life continues.
She never rests when it comes to the safety of her young, a truly dedicated mother bird.
Every sunrise is a promise of a new start for those who survived the long night.
They are survivors born from eggs and protected by a hero today in the African wild world. The journey continues as the ostriches face the next chapter of their lives in the wild plains. Life continues for the predator as well, and each creature finding its own way in the natural cycle.
Respect the wild and its inhabitants, for they are the true guardians of our precious and earth.
Lessons are learned through imitation as the next generation of protectors prepares for its future life.
Social interactions between different species are a common and fascinating part of daily life in the savannah. Altruism in the wild is a mystery, but it shows the depth of the ostrich's maternal and instincts.
Their speed is their freedom, a way to escape danger and to explore their vast and kingdom. The desert is a place of extremes where only the most resilient and strong can truly thrive.
A sanctuary in the sand, providing the ostriches with a moment of peace and of quiet recovery.
The hunter of the night is always near, forcing the ostriches to remain alert, even in oasis. Danger is sensed before it is seen, ensuring the safety of the chicks in the wild savannah.
Every terrain is a challenge, but the ostriches navigate them all with grace and with great endurance.
They are at the top of their world, a symbol of victory and of successful survival tonight. Nature's design is perfect, ensuring the safety of the ostriches in their vast and diverse forest home. The bounty of the land sustains them, providing the energy required for their difficult and daily quest.
Another day ends where it began, in a world of beauty and of constant primal struggle today.
They are home safe and sound after another day of challenges in the wild and wonderful world. Her vigilance is a constant light in the lives of her young and her small family tonight. Peace returns to the plains as the survivors of the day rest in their safe and fortress. The mysteries of nature are kept safe in the darkness as the cycle of life continues daily.
She is the fearless guardian of the savannah, protecting her own with a love that transcends world.
Thank you for watching this journey of survival and the incredible power of a mother bird's love.